Uyimbali yaphakade ukhanye naphakade mina nawe sibe munye konke kuphela kuwe. Yeah, oh yeah, Rosie Saye, you my lady, you my lady. Taylor, yeah, they call it Mali. It lost us all head into Mali. We were all about the priceless. You know you need a life, you know too much tomorrow. I whisper sense in those cute ears. I got you like the first time I got a mic. For you I run miles, don't tell no lies. Otherwise, assalamu alaikum, no time for snoozing. I'm making music for you, for babies, for the world. I preach the word of love to you until death devour. Hope you resume me in the heaven. It's just like a movie, I like to live it again. You always got me saying, with you I'm in the right place. I feel safe, I feel safe. Uyimbali yaphakade ukhanye naphakade mina nawe sibe munye konke kuphela kuwe. Yeah, oh yeah, Rosie Saye, you my lady, you my lady.
True love. True love is a refined, special one of a kind. Can't blind you at the same time. If you let it, can you open your eyes? Oh, less on us, we get it. Papa stepping in, soaring like a garden. When I look at you, I can't deny there is God, only God, cool and great. Someone's wonderful and beautiful as you are. With the reason smart, with the reason smart. Best to my heart, I say in Bali. I love you cause I know you be always there to catch me when I fall. That you listen to me when I need you there. When I've been alone, been lost. That's what bring my shadow on my moments. For the moment see you, seeing you. So I bring me back to life. God, you say
Uyimbali yaphakade ukhanye naphakade mina nawe sibe munye konke kuphela kuwe. Yeah, oh yeah, Rosie Saye, you my lady, you my lady.
But you gotta be strong, young man. I tell you that I live and die for this rap shit. I wish you understand, I ain't putting you in second place. I'm just more concerned about making this money, building a better future for me and you. I know we had a rough start, that's why I'm working so hard. Nothing was better in the day, everything is a work in progress. No, it's a long process, but baby, please be patient. Hope you're waiting on me every day. I pray this in a sloganist. I know it's all it goes says. We embody that I pick from the garden, baby. You mine alone. I need you and it's no joke. The feelings that you provoke, they're all yours, baby. I'm yours, no for horse. Everything I do is all for you, baby.
Uyimbali yaphakade